It was Monday morning, and Ananya was getting ready for her first day at a new job. She looked at herself in the mirror and took a deep breath. "I hope everything goes well today," she said softly. Ananya had recently moved to the city and was excited about her new office job. But deep inside, she also felt nervous. She did not know anyone there. After breakfast, she packed her bag, checked her documents, and left for work. The office building was tall and modern. Many employees were walking in and out quickly. Ananya held her bag tightly and walked slowly toward the entrance. At the reception desk, a smiling receptionist greeted her. "Good morning. How can I help you?" she asked kindly. "Good morning," Ananya replied nervously. "Today is my first day here." The receptionist smiled warmly. "Welcome. Please go to the third floor. Your manager is waiting for you." Ananya thanked her and entered the elevator. When the elevator door opened, she saw a busy office with computers, phones, and people talking to each other. A manager named Mr. Sharma welcomed her. "Welcome to the team, Ananya," he said with a smile. "Let me introduce you to everyone." Ananya smiled politely, but her hands were shaking a little. Mr. Sharma introduced her to her co-workers.
"This is Priya from marketing. This is Rahul from sales, and this is Neha from customer support." Everyone smiled and greeted her kindly. "Nice to meet you," they said. Slowly, Ananya started to feel more comfortable. Later that morning, Priya noticed Ananya sitting quietly at her desk. "Would you like some coffee?" Priya asked. "Yes, thank you," Ananya replied happily. In the office cafeteria, Priya and Rahul talked with her about movies, food, and city life. Rahul joked, "Don't worry, everyone feels nervous on the first day." Everyone laughed, including Ananya. After lunch, Ananya made a small mistake while sending an email to a client. She felt embarrassed immediately. "Oh no, I'm so sorry," she said worriedly. But Neha smiled and said kindly, "It's okay. We all make mistakes when we are new." Her kind words made Ananya feel relaxed again. By the end of the day, Ananya was no longer afraid. She had learned many new things and made new friends. Before leaving the office, Mr. Sharma said, "You did very well today. We're happy to have you here." Ananya smiled brightly. "Thank you, sir," she replied. As she walked home that evening, the city no longer felt strange or lonely. She realized that new beginnings can be scary, but kindness and friendship can make everything easier. That night, Ananya called her mother. "How was your first day?" her mother asked. Ananya smiled and said, "I was nervous in the morning, but now I think I'm going to love this job." Moral of the story: new beginnings may feel difficult at first, but kindness and friendship help us grow with confidence.